Everyone, welcome to Cypress tutorial. Today in this tutorial, we will learn how to scroll down and scroll up in Cypress. Sometimes elements are not visible on the screen, so we need to scroll to bring them into view. Cypress make this easy with the scroll command. So let's begin. Create a next file, right click on it to new file and then enter the file name scroll and link cy.js. Copy this and put here. In this Cypress website, you can view the command, click on commands, and here you can view scroll to. Scroll to command is used for scrolling up and scrolling down. You can scroll by position, you can scroll by enter the pixel value, and here you can do scroll the window 500 pixel down. Cy dot scroll to 0 comma and 500, it would scroll 500 pixel down. Cy dot get and then enter the class name dot sidebar dot scroll to bottom. It will scroll to the sidebar is put. Now we will use this website for scrolling up and scrolling down. Copy this complete URL and enter the URL again. cy.visit first visit to the website, and this is our scroll test case. Here we will enter scroll handling and sites. Now remove these lines. First open the website and then here we enter the test case. Suppose we want to scroll down here. So here we will enter the command sci dot scroll to dot scroll to top. Top is used for scrolling to the up of the page, and here you can view multiple commands are available here. Bottom left, bottom right. We can scroll left, right, top. In this example, we will use bottom. Click on this. Let's run this test. Save this file. npx cypress compile. First, I will show you how we can scroll down of the page. Then I will show you how we can scroll to the up of the page. Cypress is running now. We need to select the configured, and then select the browser. Click on Start YouTube testing info. Now our test file name is a scroll underscore handling. So here we will select our test file name. Here you can scroll down, scroll underscore handling. Test is running. Your tests are loading. First, it will navigate to the URL. As you can view, it will open the website. After open the website, it will scroll down of the page. Let's add some weight here for better understanding. Suppose you want to scroll up after the scrolling down. We can add weight side dot weight, select one weight, and here you can wait for a number of milliseconds. You almost never need to wait for, because If you add the weight in your script, the test will be slow. So understanding, I just use the weight here psi dot weight 2000 millisecond weight and then psi dot scroll to top. In this scenario, first it would scroll down of the page and then wait for 2000 millisecond and then scroll up of the page. Save the test file. Test is running. First it will navigate to the URL, scroll down to 2000 millisecond wait and then scroll up. Same as well, we can scroll by pixel. Suppose we want to scroll psi dot scroll to 0500 pixel. Suppose we want it to scroll down 500 pixel. Let's run the test. It is running. As you can know, in this command, it's just not to scroll to the down of the page because we add only 500 pixel. It will scroll in the page. Let's remove this for better understanding and again run the test. Navigate to the URL and scroll 500 pixel. Add some weight here, psi dot weight 2000 millisecond weight and then scroll by pixel. We can scroll up to the page by pixel 0, comma, 0. Run the test. Cypress is opening the website. Scroll down and then scroll up by pixel. That's our for today tutorial on scrolling up and down in Cypress using dot scroll command. It helps you test elements that are not visible without scrolling. If this video help you, please like, share, and subscribe to SK World. If you have any questions or ideas for the next video, leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.